This is a quick introduction to the three full Tibbe picks as supplied by Walker Locksmiths. Firstly, we have the standard pick, which works on the same principle for each three, where we have 6 discs which can be manipulated. This is the standard pick. This is the premium pick, where you can see it's a much better quality steel, and we have graduation marks so that we can very easily read the decode on the lock. These two picks otherwise are identical in as much as the parts are glued. The third pick is the Lishi version. The Lishi version is almost identical to the premium version, except all of the components have been silver soldered to allow for a greater strength. The principle of all three are exactly the same. Remove the retaining rod, transit rod, insert into the lock, and then we need to manipulate all 6 discs. The first thing we need to identify is where the number 4s are. The number 4s will be the discs that don't move at all. In this case we can feel that the number 4s are the number 6 position and the number 2 position. These only exist in order to turn the lock, in order to open the lock. We then manipulate the others into position, and then we use the number 4 to turn the lock, and the lock is now open. The code can very easily be read. This is a number 4, a number 1, a number 2, a number 3, a number 4 and another number 3. So we have the decode straight away. All three work in exactly the same principle, except these have the graduation marks, so instead of working out where they are relative to each other, you can simply read them off of the tool itself. But otherwise this is a very simple pick to use. It's a very quick open. The lock is currently locked. We now know the number 4s, so we now just need to manipulate the others into position and then use the number 4, either of them, to turn the lock, and the lock is picked.